Hi everyone, it's Deb. Welcome back to my channel. About a week ago I was playing around with some muslin and kind of making my own fabric strips. This is what it looks like, this one. And I've done like a whole bunch of them. I absolutely love them. Love, love, love them. So, I know I'm not the only person that has done this on YouTube, but I wanted to show you, in case you've never seen one, how I've done it. I'm going to use a bunch of different stamps that I have. I'm not sure which ones I'm using actually right now, but I am going to use some stamps. I've got a few, and I like to use fairly large ones to start with. I think I'll start with this one. This is a Carabella Studio stamp, and it's Bridget Cooper. Coops, I don't know. It's Coops something. It's the number is SA50015. I don't know if you can see that right there. And that's what it looks like. So, I'm just going to take it out. And the ink I'm using today is the Distress Oxide Vintage Photo. I'm not sure I've had a whole lot of luck with this stamp. I don't know. I thought maybe I would try a mouse pad underneath my fabric for this one. Well, maybe for all of them. I'm not sure. We'll just see how this goes. Get everything cleaned off good. Okay, so I'm going to ink this up. Looks like it's getting ink on it, so that makes me happy. And it's fairly new. Maybe that's why it hasn't stamped well for me. I don't know. Now, let's just see which way is which. I don't know. I'm just going to place it down and stamp. And you have to hold it a little bit longer on fabric than you would on paper, but they say if you kind of hold it for a bit, it'll allow the ink to transfer. So we'll see how good this is. Oh, nice. I like it now. I tried it before, not on fabric, just on paper, and it just didn't stamp very good. So I'm going to use it again. I'm going to put this here, and I want to move this down, my mouse pad. I like to stamp on a mouse pad because it's more springy. So I'm just going to leave a bit of space there, and let's do another one. And you don't have to, oh, maybe I'm in too close, am I? I'll go out there. Now you can see the whole screen. Sorry. So I'm going to lift that again. And I'm going to do another one on the mouse pad, like right here. Just get my ink. And it doesn't matter what kind of stamps you use, really, I don't think. This one is a non-descriptive type of stamp. Yes, I love that. Okay, so that's one row. And I'm going to put this back in its folder here. I don't clean my stamps, really. Never have. So I'm going to go back, and you notice that there's spaces at the top and in between. So I think I'm going to try some of these numbers. I think it was Roxy Creations, Rachel, who has these, and sorry to say, but I did go to AliExpress and I ordered these. And I love them. Love them. See, that's great. Of course, I don't want number 4 all the way. I can actually do another one here. Maybe here. I was going to do a different number, but I think I'm going to switch stamps now to, I have this set, Birds and Nests. These are from, oh, what the heck. Oh my goodness. It's the same company. They're beautiful. Is it Cavallini? They're from Cavallini. And these are amazing. I love these birds, and I also love this one. Well, I love them all, but anyway, I thought we would use these in certain places, like maybe one here. Here, even if it's off the fabric, it doesn't matter. I have a smaller bird, similar, and I like to turn them. Maybe I'll turn this one this way. Turn this one this way. And you just kind of work to fill up the gaps. So I'm going to use this longer one. It's just a vine, really. And I'm just going to put it in here. And if it goes over the numbers, it's no big deal. Know how much you're seeing, really. I'll try and stay in frame. When I get in too close, I forget. I forget about the screen. So I'll try and keep track of that. So I'm just going to go along and just kind of fill in. This video won't be long because I'm not doing this whole thing, but it'll give you the idea. See, I want maybe a number 7 here now. Lucky 7. Put that there. And then again, about here. Just so that we have something there. And I'll stamp in between. And down here, I'm not sure, we're at the selvage edge, so I do have a little bit that I need to do. Oh, what to use? You know, I think I'm going to get a different stamp, maybe something. This is a Tim Holtz Stampers Anonymous. It's number CMS302. I just like to use kind of non-descriptive stamps for stuff like this. This one's never been used, so this might not stamp very good. I don't know, but I found Tim Holtz is usually good. I want to fill this. Should have used a block. At least get it partly on a block, hopefully. Okay, so I got it on the block. Hopefully it doesn't drop off. I want to stamp here. That works great. And I'm not afraid to overlap either. So if it overlaps, this may not work so good because I'm off the mouse pad. Hang on a second. Let's see if I can move that in there. Oh, I moved the stamp, so that's no good. Yeah, I missed part of it, but that's okay. That kind of a mistake isn't a bad thing in this case, because you can come in with, we could come in with this and fill that up. So it doesn't matter. That's the whole point of doing your own fabric. I love this. And I'm gonna use my birds again. This one I really like. Make sure I'm on the pad, because it works good there. So I'm going to put two big ones in this section, and maybe I'll put a number in there. Number 1. And we'll do it this way. It doesn't matter, even if it's crooked. It doesn't matter. So then, normally what I do is fill up the whole thing, the whole piece. That's what I do. I'm going to go out now. I usually fill up the whole piece, but I'll show you what I do now. I'm going to cut and tear. So how wide you want your strips is where you're going to snip. And I think there's good. And you just tear. And I'll show you what we got. We got this. I don't know if you can see that. It's great. And I love how it frays the edges. I do. I really like that. So then on the next part, we still have another piece that we can do. I think that's wide. I'm going to do it anyway. This might work good for a belly band because it's wider. So this one is really quite wide. Let's just measure it and see. It's, I don't measure. Usually I don't. This is approximately, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 2 5/8. So it's over 2.5 inches. So anyways, I wanted you to really kind of see it up close, if you can. My lighting is so bright, I know. Anyways, that's kind of what I've been doing, is making my own do-it-yourself kind of stuff at home. You could do this in any color. If you have, you know, pink, if you want, if your project is pink and you want to use pink, use pink. If it's purple, use purple. I think these are really versatile. I really do. And I've enjoyed making them so much, and it's almost so addictive. You just want to keep going. The ones I made last week are a yard, one whole yard long. So, you know, they're quite long, but they don't have to be. If you have bits, stamp them and use them. That's what I say. So I just thought I'd come today and kind of show you what I've been doing, and yeah, I think these are fantastic. I like to leave these sort of lay out and kind of dry really good. I can tell they're, you know, if I rubbed it, it'd probably smear a little bit. I don't think they're dry yet, quite yet. But anyways, just a thought. Thought I'd bring this to you and show you what I've been up to. Take care, everyone. Bye now.